Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. This is Antonio, and today we will cover the Ethereum project and their token Ether. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. You help the channel grow and you'll be notified when new content is released. This channel was created to make crypto information simple to understand so anyone without crypto knowledge can get started. Just a quick disclaimer, nothing on this video is financial advice or purchase recommendation. This video is only intended to show you the basics on the Ethereum project. So, Ethereum was created to leverage the blockchain technology used by Bitcoin into other use cases. The idea behind the project is to democratize everything, from organizations to businesses to currencies and more, taking away control from the central banks, large corporations, and powerful brokers. Ethereum is an open source platform where anyone can develop the apps or smart contract platforms that enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly to buy, sell, trade goods and services without a middleman, broker, or lawyer. Smart contracts run exactly as programmed, greatly reducing the risk of fraud, and they are self-executing, carrying out the terms of the contract digitally. Once the conditions on the contracts are met, such as transfer of payment, then the merchandise is automatically made available to the buyer. And Ethereum uses the proof of work protocol, similar to Bitcoin, and therefore it uses computers to validate the transactions, and you get Ether in return for those validations. This process is called mining. Proof of work consensus require a lot of energy, and it's quite slow. However, Ethereum is looking to upgrade to proof of stake in the near future to reduce those costs and potentially increase speed. Alright, so we're just going to look at the CoinMarketCap website. The link will be in the description if you like to look for yourself. This is the ranking of cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, and you can see Ethereum is the second largest crypto project with a staggering $476 billion market capitalization and the money that is invested into Ethereum. It is behind only that of Bitcoin, which has roughly $1 trillion invested in it, and ahead of that of Binance Coin, which has $100 billion invested in it, and Dogecoin, which has been the hype coin lately, with Elon Musk talking about it quite often. And Dogecoin now has $65 billion invested in it. Ether, the coin on the Ethereum platform, is currently priced at $4,180 and is reaching new all-time highs daily. And on this project, there's a lot of things that we'd like to share, but we'd like to keep our videos short, simple, and the content light. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and let us know what you think of the project in the comment section. If you like this video, we have a series of other videos considering other projects that you may want to watch. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get information in the world of crypto when we release new content. And we see you on the next video.